Let's explore how Gemini Education can transform your teaching practices in Gmail, focusing on streamlining communication with parents. A real time saver.
Use Gemini to draft personalized emails to parents, requesting their help as chaperones for an upcoming field trip to a national park.
Here's a prompt. Draft an email to parents requesting volunteers to serve as chaperones for our upcoming field trip to Acadia National Park on April 11th.
You can see that Gemini has generated a well-written email that can then be copied or inserted. This can save you time and ensure that your message is clear, concise, and effective.
Gemini can help you refine the tone and style of your emails, ensuring that they are appropriate for the intended audience. You can retry your request using Google Search. I'm going to try this one again using this feature. I can see a tremendous change from the last email generated. This one is structured in a way that closer fits my style and my intention.
You can further refine the email in different ways. For example, refine the tone of this email to make it more enthusiastic and engaging.
By using Gemini, you can streamline your communication with parents and ensure that you have the necessary support for your field trip.